Today I am going to make a friendship card using papers, color pencils and many more items. Let's get started. The items we need are chart, color paper, glue and some color pencils, scissors and a pencil to draw. First you take any size chart and fold it in a shape you want. And now let's get started. Use your pencil to draw. Now continue on. Now to her legs. Now let's move on to the next girl. Now let's start coloring from the hair. So I'm going to use yellow and orange shade. First I'm using my medium yellow color for the top part, like this. Now I'm going to use my lemon yellow color. Give it lightly. I'm using orange for the shading part. Now I'm using my orange color for the next girl's head. Give Give it lightly over the middle part. Next, use medium yellow. Now I am using my red color. Now brown color. Now I am using red color. You can use red for full of the dress. Now I am using deep pink color for the next girl's dress. Do the same way. Continue on. Now I am using my peach color for the hand and legs part. Do the same way for all of the hands and the legs. Now I am using my red color for the heels. Give it lightly over the sides. Now let's start coloring the balloons. You can give any color you want for the balloons. Now I am using my black color pencil for the strings of the balloon. Now I am using lavender color. Next I am using medium yellow for the rainbow. Next leafy green color. Next I am using my light blue color. Now I am using deep pink color. Now I am using red color. Now light pink color. Now I am using light blue color for the clouds. Now I am using my light green color brush pen to color the land. Color it inside fully. Now I am using dark green color brush pen for the grass. Now I am using my red color brush pen for the flower. Now for the center part, I will be using yellow color. continue with some more flowers. Now take any color paper you want, fold it like this. Now use a pencil to draw half a butterfly. Now I am using my scissors to cut, trace the outline and cut the butterfly. Now I am going to draw some small butterflies and let's cut it. This is how it looks after you cut. Now use Fevigum at the center alone. Now turn it and stick it. Gently do this. Now I am using yellow color brush pen to give some stars around the rainbow. You can use any colors. I will be using some colors to do more. Cut some small butterflies and stuck it here and there, and I have written some quotes about Friendship Day. So you can write anything that you want to convey to your friend. This is the final view of the friendship card. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy Friendship Day to you all.